How to draw Stickman. First, you draw a circle. Second, a stick and a backstick and backstick. Now you can take this and some like a shiny red color. But wait, can you red color with the most unique and most sliceable? This is your saber. So this is very nice. Inside you have extra sabers like this, and this is very nice form. And draw some bird with efficiency. You first draw this and this. The color of birds like parrot color and parrot colors adopted and used taste. And this is my bird. You made this lion and this blue color with epic tutor. It's your first creature bird. Next strike is so OP.